Hey, what's happening, everybody? Steve here, Raking Profit over at rakingprofit.com. Coming back to you with another video from Providence, Rhode Island. I'm actually in front of a beautiful pool and jacuzzi area at the Omni Hotel, downtown Providence. Just got done with a workout. And I'm here with Mama Profit on a thrifting road trip. And I was just hanging out, checking my Instagram. If you guys aren't following me over there, check me out at Raking Profit. But I got a question from Connor asking, Steve, how many items should I list per day? And I get that question all the time. People are always asking, Steve, how many items should I list per day to be successful? And that's a tough question to answer because it really depends upon your goals. Are you looking to make an extra $100? Are you looking to go part-time? Are you looking to go full-time? Do you want to make $5,000 a month? Is that revenue? Is that profit? What are you selling? What's your ASP? What's your average selling price? If you're selling, $6, $7 widgets, then, versus someone who's selling $50, $60 high-end clothing, then that number is going to be different in terms of how many items you want to list. So to answer that question, let's first define what our goal is. What's your profit that you want to make? Do you want to make $100 a month, $1,000 a month, $10,000 a month? And then let's define what are we going to be selling, okay? Are we going to be selling $5, $10 items, $20 items, $40 items? Because that's all going to come back to your listing goal. I would say most resellers who are following me are going to thrift stores, garage sales, and their ASP, their average selling price, typically falls somewhere between $15 to $30. So in that case, I've found if you want to make anywhere from $500 to $1,500 a month profit at the end of the day, you really want to aim for like 5 to 10 items per day listed. 5 to 10 items a day, 5 days a week. Now, if you want to get full-time and make $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 a month, which is typically what my audience needs to kind of go full-time, then you might be looking at anywhere from 15 to 20 plus items a day if you're falling between a $15 to $30 ASP, right? Obviously, the higher your ASP and the quicker your items sell, that's another factor. Are these long tail? Are these quick flips? Are these wholesale items? Are these name brand? Are they private label stuff that's gonna sit for a while? These are all things to consider. My best advice is honestly start somewhere, right? If you're starting an eBay business and you're listing like 5 items a week, let's double that. Let's do 10 items a week. And then let's track and monitor how our sales go over the next week or two. If you're doing 10 items a week, let's do 20, let's do 30, let's double it, let's triple it. And in order to do that, you're gonna kind of have to reverse engineer things. You're gonna have to figure out how am I gonna get more items, right? So you're gonna have to go to more thrift stores or go to more garage sales or look into wholesale or look into doing some liquidation or pallets like I've been doing. So in terms of how many items somebody should list or how many items you should list, you've got to define your goals. You've also got to ask yourself, how much time am I willing to put into this? Do I have somebody who's going to be able to help me, right? If you have someone who's helping with photography or helping with listing, you're going to be able to jack that up really, really quick. Literally, we started up a new eBay account once I got my warehouse, and we went from literally $0 in sales up to almost $3,000 in sales over the last 5 weeks. And that was quick. That was super quick. Now, I did have some inventory that was sitting around. We did, acquire a pallet, which we haven't even gotten through like 1/10 of it yet. But there's a lot of factors to consider. So I would look at yourself and where you are now. Look in the mirror. Don't look at other people's results. Don't look at my results. Don't look at Rockstar Flipper, Rally Roots, Bonafide Hustler, all these people on YouTube. Who gives a crap? Seriously, look at yourself and then define your goals, because what works for me may not work for you. What's working for me and what I'm happy with, you might be miserable with, because you might need to make a lot more money. eBay might be your only business, right? For me, eBay is not my only business. I'm doing a whole bunch of different things. So for you, if that's everything, if you're putting all your eggs in that basket, maybe you want to do 30, 40, 50 items a day. Maybe you've got multiple quantities of an item, right? And maybe you're doing wholesale. You might be wanting to do 50 to 100 items a day, maybe 500 items a week. I don't know. Everybody's got a different model. So hopefully that answers your question. But yeah, beautiful hotel. The ceiling is crazy. This hotel, fun little fact, when Barack Obama was in office, he actually visited here, and I believe he stayed overnight. So it's pretty cool to know that. I don't know. I'm gonna guess that his kids were probably running around in here. I'm not sure, but yeah, really having a lot of fun with Mama Profits out here. If you guys follow me on Instagram, we've been updating the story, so you'll get to see behind the scenes my mother and I bonding and hitting up thrift stores. Yesterday, she found one of her favorite books of all time. So check out my Instagram. You got to be on the lookout for that book. I'm not going to tell you now, but if you find that book, you're making like 40, 50 bucks. instantly. Found a cool turntable, some electronics, crushed it with DVDs, and crushed it with CDs yesterday. So really enjoying my time here in Providence, and just so grateful for this reselling business, and to have you guys following me. And there's just so many opportunities out there. So hopefully you guys will have an amazing day. If you are, like, comment, subscribe, go out there and leave me a comment down below. Let me know, how many items do you strive for to list per day? How many days per week? And what's your goal in terms of how many items you want to, let me rephrase that. How much profit do you want to make a month? So how many items are you listing a day and per week? And how many items are you making? How many items are you selling, and how much money are you making per month? It was a long day last night, guys. Mama Profit got me a little drunk, so my thought process isn't as clear as I'd like it to be. But either way, appreciate you guys. Keep on picking and making up money, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.